This evening, an appeal from Councillor for the UNDN Division in Kingston 20 for persons to stop discriminating against a family now under self-quarantine in Pembroke. Krista Campbell has the details of Councillor Andrew Harris's message, which was sent via WhatsApp.
First Bull Bay, now Pembroke St. Andrew. Another family whose relative came into contact with one of the early cases of COVID-19 in Jamaica, now under scrutiny by members of the public. And even beyond scrutiny, Councillor for the UNDN Division, Andrew Harris, says the family is being stigmatized. He took to WhatsApp to explain the situation.
We have a family in Pembroke that has been quarantined by law. They're observing all the laws as it relates to quarantine. They have not violated as such. I'm asking you please to stop and just dispel from spreading those dangerous rumors that are being spread on the family.
He insisted that none of the family members has tested positive for the coronavirus, and TVJ News was unable to get confirmation from the Health Ministry.
As precaution, the government has asked them to stay by themselves for 14 days, of which they're doing.
Councillor Harris cautions that those under quarantine will need food, vitamin C and other supplies.
Family members will go and get it for them. I understand that just today people saw members of their family shopping and they're running out of the supermarket. Come on people, we can't be doing that. Remember, these are our neighbors. We can't leave them to die. The virus is like any other virus, it's just a little bit more hyped, and we know it can kill you. But the regular flu virus does the same. It kills how many thousands of persons each year.
Krista Campbell, TVJ News.